Hi, my name's Cody Lee. I'm president and owner of Everyday Technologies. We wanted to do a video series with you guys to give you some insight on our capabilities here at our Sidney facility. We wanted to start it off with our capabilities in laser. Behind me you'll see that we've got 3 laser cutting machines. They are 5,000, 4,500, and 3,000 watt lasers. That gives us the ability to cut a variety of different material, ranging from mild steel, stainless and aluminum, up to 1.25 inches thick. So we do have a broad variety of capabilities with these lasers. Behind me you'll see attached to the equipment is some automation, and that is our 36 shelf tower that allows us to store raw material and finished cut parts. And then with that is our automated lift masters. So we do have 2 connected to 2 of our lasers, and this gives us the ability to transfer material from the laser to the shelf, both during regular shift hours and off shift hours. So getting unattended time is a crucial part of our business and meeting the demands of our customers. Coming back beyond the lasers, you'll see what we call our laser takeoff area. Here we've got several people taking the finished cut parts off of our tower and then organizing the various parts by job. From here, we are organizing the material and transferring it and getting it ready for our form area. In our lasers, one of the more exciting things that we've got going on here at the company is the recent purchase of a new 10,000 watt Trump fiber laser, along with a new lift master for the automation component of it. This is going to give us a fair amount of increased capacity to service our customers, as long as new customers, as we enter into growth mode here at Everyday Technologies. So the next step in our operation is our form area. Behind me you'll see that we have 6 press brakes ranging from 40 tons to 250 tons. The bed sizes on these pieces of equipment range from 4 foot up to 10 foot, so we do have the capability to form parts up to 10 foot long. This is a mix of hydraulic and electric press brakes. So you'll see off in the distance we do have a 40-ton electric Amada EG that allows us to do smaller components at a quicker speed, but we do form large bases for the oil and gas industry that could be up to, like I said, 10 foot long. So we have a variety of capabilities in our form area that allow us to do a variety of different parts, but this is the next step after lasers in our form area.
All right, so moving on to the next area here at Everyday Technologies. This is our weld department. Everyday currently has 14 weld bays. 10 are MIG weld. We have 4 TIG weld stations, and we also have 2 resistance welders. See some gentlemen over here to my left that are MIG welding currently. We have some weld positioners, fume collectors, well lit, standardized our weld cells. In the back, we're actually TIG welding some hydraulic reservoirs at this particular time. Across the aisle, we also have 3 large areas that are set up for welding. Things like these bases that are used in the gas and oil industry, they're under a crane. So Everyday has a full gamut of small TIG welding up to large heavy weldments, and we do a lot of welding here at Everyday. Okay, so now we've entered into our newest addition here at Everyday. It's a 40,000 square foot addition where we do industrial assembly, we do leak testing for our tanks, powder coating, warehousing, and shipping. And what I'm going to speak to for the next couple minutes is our tank testing area. So Everyday is entered into doing hydraulic, fuel, and even like some shunt or surge tanks assembly, and those have to be leak tested. So what happens behind us is there's a table and there's some Windex testing that takes place before, just to try to see if there's any leaks we can detect and repair before we move into the hydrostatic dunk testing. So each tank will have a specific dwell time and pressure that it's tested at. If all the repairs are made and there's no leaks at all, then off to the right we actually have a washer where there's some high pressure washer that takes place, and we clean those tanks to whatever the customer's specifications are. And then after that, the tanks are fogged with an RP and they're sealed and moved into our powder coat and assembly areas.
So the next operation that we wanted to speak about is our powder coat capabilities here at Sidney. Behind me you'll see that we have a manual batch powder coat line. This is more ideal for complex weldments, complex geometries, thicker steel. We do hang parts up to a 1/2 inch thick here on our powder coat line. The typical envelope space that we have to work with here on the batch style powder coat line is up to 110 inches long by 72 inches deep, and parts ranging up to 36 inches wide. So we do have some pretty vast capabilities on this specific piece of equipment. It does allow for multiple color changes, so it's more ideal for smaller batch runs that accept a large variety of different colors. So another exciting investment that we've made here at Everyday Technologies at our Sidney facility is a brand new automated powder coat line. So this is going to go right next to our current batch style manual powder coat line, and this is going to expand our capabilities in a variety of different ways. Some of the noticeable features about the powder coat line will be its brand new 5-stage wash system that will include heated water as well as an integrated RO system. Some of the capabilities would include the ability to handle parts up to 30 inches wide as well as 54 inches deep. And then that'll include a 6-gun automated powder booth as well as a 2-gun manual booth. This is going to give us the ability to quickly change colors and service a variety of different parts on that automated piece of equipment. This will run up to 12 feet per minute, and it will truly expand our abilities to offer powder coating to our customers.
I want to show off that Everyday does light industrial assembly. Behind us, Alan's actually preparing a kit for a customer. So we're taking a shelf kit, their hardware, their instructions, putting them into specialty boxes. We also do an installation of like sight glasses and different things into hydraulic tanks, hinges that may go into boxes, or electrical ductwork. So a lot of different assembly things that we do here at Everyday as value added for our customers. Okay, so now we're in the final process here at our Campbell Road facility in Sidney. Shipping and warehousing, very important role. So we have a 12,000 square foot area that we dedicate to inventorying parts for our customers. Some of our customers request parts on 1 to 2 day notice that we pull and we ship. We vary anywhere with our customers from daily to multiple times a day milk runs up to weekly LTL shipments to, hey, when my order's ready, send it LTL on our account. We take a lot of pride into packaging parts right. Much of what we do here at Everyday is plated or powder coated, so we want to make sure those arrive at our customers in the aesthetic condition that they expect. So we use things like foam, cardboard protectors, cardboard pads, and we palletize those, and we just do a wonderful job of shipping here at Everyday Technologies, and we look forward to servicing you.